In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bulk upload attachments to Airtable using miniExtensions. So this can be useful in a variety of cases where, let's say, for example, you have a whole list of people, like say, maybe you're at a university and you have a whole list of students, for example, and you have to upload, say, an image for each of those, or or maybe a PDF of some kind of maybe document they had to sign, and a physical document or something like that. Um, so you may want to add a whole lot of attachments to records, and you may also already have um, the actual files set up in a way where, if I'm just going to show you the examples here, the names of the files match a certain field in Airtable. As you can see here, the ones I've set up, um, you can see that the case is not going to matter, but it needs to be an exact match in terms of like the actual characters here. So for example, this third one, there's an extra A in here, so this one you're going to see in a second is going to fail, but the other two are going to work. So this is just needs a bit of pre-processing to make sure that you have some field in Airtable that is an exact match for the file name format you're using. So for example, like if your file names are all organized in a way where it's maybe like first name underscore last name, you could create a formula in Airtable that kind of replicates that format, and then you can use that to match um, your uploaded attachments to the actual records. But there has to be an exact link, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, let me show you how you can actually set that up. Um, if we go to miniExtensions, you can just select the attachment category. That's probably the easiest way to get to this. And then right now, this is pretty much at the top here, bulk upload attachments to Airtable. But you can also always just use the search function here as well. And you just click on that, and then you select your table, give it a name if you like, hit create. And then you just have to set up a couple of things. In my case, because my example table is extremely simple, this is already set up correctly. But basically, you have to set up a field that is the unique ID. That's the one I was referring to. If you have multiple fields in your table, you're going to want to set the one that has the same sort of format as your file names. Um, and then you need to select the target field where your attachments are going to be stored. And then from there, it's basically just you just go to upload attachments, and then you can either drag and drop your files in here, or you can just click on it and select the files here. I've prepared this folder here, so you can just select them all, click open, and then you'll see, okay, I've got 3 files selected, and once you hit upload, those files are going to upload, and you're going to see the status update. You'll see successful ones and failed ones. And at the very end, you'll see a summary of that as well. So for example, here, the first 2, they succeeded. So those we're going to see in Airtable in a second. And the third one failed because there was no exact match found because there was an additional A in here. So basically you can see like, okay, the ones that have failed, um, you might need to like redo those. And if we look in Airtable, you can see that for both John and Jane Doe, we have the appropriate images uploaded, and the third one failed. All right, so yeah, that's a pretty short example here. But if you have any questions or need any help in setting this up, feel free to reach out to us, and we'd be happy to assist you.